Hello everybody, my name is Amy, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you Crochet 101 on how to do a slip knot. For my yarn I use 100% acrylic yarn. You can use a 4mm hook. But in this tutorial you won't need a crochet hook, so that's irrelevant. Grab the end of your yarn and then pull it a little bit like this. Then what you want to do, grab it, twist it. I put 2 fingers in between, twist it. So then you have like a little bow and pull through. And then we start again. So you want to grab, twist, and then pull through again. And again. You want to grab the other piece, twist, and pull through. I'm going to repeat it a few more times just so you can see the visual concept. But grab, then you're going to grab the other piece of yarn, twist, and pull through. And then I repeat it one more time. Grab, twist, make an X, and pull through. And that is how you do a slip knot. In my next few videos, I'm going to be showing you basics on how to crochet. If you would like to see those, please subscribe, like this video, and obviously follow along. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.